So again, one stroke. If you can have this side. Pay attention to the in-between fingers. Okay? In-between fingers. So, very difficult, very bitaw. No? And then also the nail beds. Down. Okay? So next, when there is that water, we're going to remove this one. Okay? As is, we're going to close with the pillow. Change with the soap. Right? Hindi kayong feeling, gumanin niyo yung bed shampoo or bed bath after. Hindi kayong feeling, fresco ko. Paligusan mo si inyo lang. Pwede na mo din mag-shampoo sa inyo. Ano na mo shampoo sa school, pero maligo din mo ha. Yung mga men, kaya gilok. Okay, same. Okay, stroke. One, two. Then, pay attention to that. And so on and so forth. Okay? Then, after the soap, love your water rinsing. Same. You're going to rinse. Right?
Yes.
So, when you rinse, there is water man. So, pwede na siya magduwa sa tubig na. Duwa siya sa tubig. Diba? Okay. After, you have the extra, you have your face towel there. You can squeeze the face towel. Okay? At the same time, you can also support the dripping. Right? So, it's rinse. Yun na. So there. The other end. So, magdungan yun mo sa imong partner. Ha? You do it again. Simultaneous with your partner. Next, after your next, what?
And then
The trunk. Okay, okay, for ladies, so di mo pwede nga magka-partner mo male ha. So male to male, female to female. Pila ka males?
13.
13. So 4 for 12 na yung usa. Okay, anyway, same. That depends on them. Kaysa mag-patient again, kaysa ha. Okay, and then female, how many are you? Ha?
21. 22.
29?
29.
So 29, 28 na gyud usa. Okay? So that depends on again. Okay? So female. Okay. I will demonstrate to you how you are going to clean the trunk area. Okay, if this is the water now, okay, for wetting, wiper. For the female, okay, dire, o asa nga side ha, let's say kani, din ha, kilid ha, kilid, pag nari na kilid, then, pag nari na, ayo apila diretsyon, ha, so muliko, detour, ha, detour to the contour, then to the under breast. Ha? Then down. Kako nga? Ay, yung piyong yan dahil na. May kaduha niya kasi akong may mong extension. Okay? 6 days ba yan na? Sleeping while on duty. Duty man. It's an army. Right? Again. Aniha. Dinha. Diretso. To the trunk, kanta. Kani. Yan na. Then, duyong. Yan na. Detour.
Under breast.
Gets. Then, nasad ka. Water nasad. Then, dinhi na ta. Again. Detour, under, down.
Isa ka pili ko.
O na rin, diretso na, flat na. Kaya mo kay part na. Kung wala,
Abot.
ikaw rin na.
Abot.
Ha? Ako ha?
Yes.
Gets? So, siya, okay? Ang patient, ako na ipakita ang mga patient. Ha? Middle, pag-abot niya, detour, the side. Water. Ha? Detour, the side. Ha? Down. Kuhara. Okay. Then, karon kay dili man ni siya mulihok. No? Kay kung mulihok pa ni siya, okay? Pwede ra gid siya ang imong pakuton. No? Pwede ra mo siya pakuton. Pero you have to have that miter. Tuduan mo siya sa pag miter. Just to do the quote. Especially in the embryonic side. Yes? Okay. Question. Very good. For the females, your attire would be a spaghetti
That is-
type.
Mag-bras. Mag-bras.
Spaghetti ha?
Negative.
Magbasa biya yun.
Dili ra
You have to bring
mag-
extra t-shirt or extra arbs
Mag-
with you. Kaya mo, basa niyang arb.
Mag-section 1 na.
Okay? And then, wear a shorts. Bili ng pick-pick shorts ha.
Ano ba? Mag-bras.
Tawa ra ba ni sila? Kaya magdaganda ka niya, malinhaoy niya, nag-pick-pick shorts na magdaganda.
Miss mag-bras.
Wear a shorts. Gets?
Mag-bras.
If you are the patient.
Mag-bras.
Not that if you are the nurse. No? Wala yung nurse mag-shorts. Ibog tayo. No? Okay. For the men, okay, we're going to wear sando. May pakita ang imong mga hairy part din mo. No? Sando and then your shorts. Shorts nga dili itong basketball shorts nga nabot ni Ray. No? Just an ordinary shorts. Yeah. Just a little bit higher. Not the boxer shorts. Not the very, very short one
As
used
in, di
in the
mag-boxer.
volleyball, dili pwede. Or cycling shorts, di pwede. Ha? Kaya sa may nasa cycling shorts, o igasore-sore ka dito. Hinta kayo nang imo. Forma kayo do. Ano?
Strap
Diba? Forma kayo. Oh, dili pwede. Okay? Nakakuha? Okay, so, let's go to Nina. Okay, so ano yung sagta sa lower extremities? Awahion na to ang
And then yung
perineal area. Okay? So, get another towel. Okay. By the way, when you bring your own towel, it should be a bigger towel that could reach up to the thigh. Mid-thigh ha, mid-thigh. Dili, natubos. Kay lain naman ito siya na part. Perineal area naman. So, mid-thigh or at the knee part. Okay? So ha? So the same, how you gonna be done? You put. Thank you, ha? Okay. The same, we're going to Tawa sila kay. Kita man bibigay. Okay. So close na ha. Okay. So again, water. Assuming na I have already changed the water. New, ha? One stroke. Down. Six na to. Next. Pagka, saan nila ba? Uncle. Not the auntie, ha? Uncle. Okay. Okay, next. After rinsing, it's done. Okay? So, we're going to tap. Tap only, do not rub. Tap. Okay? At the same time, kamadungan. Next is the foot. Water. Rinse the foot with the water. Ay, ibo-bo ha. Okay, rinse. Okay? So again, we're going to squeeze. Okay. What to do? Especially if there are cracks. Okay? Geriatric patient. Naman yung mga cracks. So you have to feel. You feel, na kay gloves. You feel the contour of the feet at the same time if there are injuries. Okay? So water down to the heel. Up. So, usara gyud. Kana. Okay? Same. Water. After the water, okay, you have the water there. Pwede rin din yung mga. Observe the in-between toes. There are patients who has athlete's foot. Okay? So you have to be careful when you do the difference in between toes. Okay? And also the nails. So parang kilid. Right? Then you feel. Your other hand, palm should feel the heel of the patient and the sole of the patient. Okay? So at the same time, you're doing the massage. Okay? Then remove. So, this is soap, no? Okay? So, you have to feel. Ayaw ikuskus, ha? Okay. And then, wash. Diba? Then, rinse. Okay, you remove. Okay? In between the toes there, in between the toes, right? With the soap. Then, rinsing.